We are going to be continuing on this sculpture. One of the things you should get used to is taking measurements from the head. The length of the human head is often used as a reference point to compare and measure other body parts. So this means that the length of the head is taken as one unit, and the other parts of the body are expressed in terms of how many times longer or shorter they are compared to the head. For example, the length of the torso is typically expressed as being roughly equal to the length of the head plus the length of the neck, or as being 2 to 3 heads long. The length of the arms is often also expressed as being roughly equal to the length of the head. These proportions vary somewhat between individuals, but the head is still used as a common point of reference for measuring the body. And that is what I do with sculptures. I take the head length and I compare it to other parts, and I find out if my proportions are working. As a sculptor, there are many things you should aim. For one, you can aim for realism. Many figure sculptors aim to create lifelike depictions of the human form. You should also try for emotion and expression. A key goal of many figure sculptors is to capture and convey the emotion content of their subject. Also, you should look for the dynamic movement. Create sculptures that suggest movement. Some figure sculptors aim to bring their works to life and create a sense of energy and vitality. Proportion and balance. Good figure sculptors strive to create works that are harmonious and well proportioned with a balanced distribution of mass and visual weight. And originality. Figure sculptors aim to create works that are unique and original, reflecting their individual style and artistic vision. Hopefully this video is helpful to you. I will be making more changes to this sculpture. I should be finishing this up probably this week. I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next sculpture.